Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do an oil service reset on Dodge Nitro. The oil service reset can be done from the dashboard and also with a scan tool. So here I'll show you how to do it from the dashboard. First we'll turn the ignition on to see where it shows that service is required. Here it is, it says oil change required, so now I'll show you how to reset the interval. First, turn the ignition off. Next, turn the ignition on and with the left foot press the brake pedal, while with the right foot you press the accelerator pedal to the bottom 3 times. Afterwards you can release the brake pedal and you can turn the ignition off. Now when you turn the ignition on, the oil service reset has been done. We'll start the car just to make sure that the oil service has been reset, and it's not showing, so that means it's reset. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.